do you build a coffee brand the entire country can't ignore?
And when we speak of your brand name Tan, where does that come from? It's very unique.
We were actually a little tipsy when we decided to launch Tan, when we came up with the name. मतलब बहुत random discussion चल रही थी हमारी, कुछ भी चल रही थी. Tan की एक full form भी है, Think About Nice Coffee.
You know the name, you've seen the cafes, you've stood in the queues.
So that's Tan Coffee. Then the crema on the top of an espresso shot is technically tan in color. February 18th, 2023 is when our first outlet launched, the Oscar store. That's our first baby.
Yeah.
Now, for the first time, meet the founders behind India's fastest growing coffee chains.
Today we are 35 outlets live and we're live in 15 states and we're adding some 26 more stores
Wow, that's remarkable.
in the next 100 days.
Wow, that's a sprint, honestly.
It's amazing कि हमने मेरे ख्याल से 10-10 घंटे 8-8 घंटे स्टोर के बाहर किसी एरिया में we waited in our cars just to look at the number of people coming there.
Our own kind of R&D, Reiki.
Yeah.
क्या होता
जिसे
है,
Reiki कहते
कैसे
हैं.
है. It's very beautiful, glamorous from outside, but inside it's a different story.
And there is something under the covers. Not just the foreign soil impression of Tan, but something that you guys are creating. I want it from your mouths. What is that and how are you guys coming out with it?
So we're launching another brand called Therefore. So it's going to be a cocktail bar. It's going to be a mix of cocktail and cocktail bar. Specifically some very nicely made cocktails, coffee cocktails also. Since we are in the coffee game already, so we wanted to take that forward with the alcohol. हमें पसंद आया.
I can say that, like इतनी की conversation जो हुई है.
बट जो हमारा कॉफ़ी का एक्सपीरियंस है वो यूज़ करके हमें अल्कोहल में यूज़ करना था. वी वांटेड टू क्रिएट अनदर स्पेस. वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट.
And if Tan curated conversations, what is Therefore going to curate?
The Founders Times presents Founders of Tan Coffee.
Thank you so much for joining us for this podcast. It's absolutely an honor hosting both of you. And talking about Tan Coffee, I want to know more about the founders themselves, Nishant and Shivang. Starting with you, Shivang. Tell us who you are, if somebody who doesn't know you. Who you are, how would you describe them?
Myself, Shivang Verma. I'm just the founder of Tan Coffee. I'm just a normal guy who, who don't talk like him. but I'm a very simple person. Yeah.
I see that. And what about you, Nishant?
अगेन द अदर को फाउंडर. मैं दूसरा को फाउंडर हूँ. जैसे इसने बोला, आई एम द स्पीकर ऑफ द ब्रांड. सो यस, आई स्पीक अ लॉट. ऑब्वियसली आई एम द फ्रंट फेस ऑफ द ब्रांड. तो जो बेसिकली मीटिंग्स होती हैं, मिलना होता है, ऑब्वियसली मेरा ज़्यादा होता है. हैंस ये ऐसी बातें करता है. अभी यू हियर दैट अ लॉट. बट यस, आई मीन निशांत, दिस अदर को फाउंडर इज मी. एंड दैट्स इट. Anybody who wants
Anything beyond brand?
beyond brand, I think aggression is something that is very common to me. Yeah, and to say that I'm genuinely fond of taking risks. So I love taking risks.
Any example?
I think in life generally, or probably related to the work, जो टैन का ओवरऑल विजन है शिवांक और मेरा, उन दोनों में ही हम मतलब आई फील कि देयर वर कॉल्स एट द पॉइंट वेयर वी स्टार्टेड टैन. उस टाइम द थिंग्स वर वेरी जिटरी इन टर्म्स ऑफ, अगेन राइट नाउ ऑल्सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स कमिंग इन. सब बहुत मार्केट सैचुरेट हो रही है. तब भी थी, तब अलग तरीके से थी. पर जिस तरह के जॉनर में हमने टैन को एंटर कराया विद द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दैट वी आर डूइंग इन द ब्रांड, वो जेन्युइनली अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा रिस्क था उस टाइम के लिए. But I think it's the hard work by the entire management team, all the people who are involved with us. हमारी प्लानिंग भी थी, बहुत सारे इफ एंड बट्स भी होते हैं. तो उस तरह का रिस्क हो गया लाइफ में. जैसे हम करते रहते हैं, अगर वेकेशन पे होते हैं तो अलग तरह के रिस्क लेते हैं.
I see.
So सब तरह के रिस्क. यस.
So talking about the commodity that you guys are working around, that's coffee. India is a market that has so many products, so many commodities. Then why coffee?
आई थिंक मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इसका जवाब तो आप किसी भी इंसान ने जिसने धंधा स्टार्ट किया वो यही, यू विल आस्क दैट गाय कि व्हाई दिस. सो इफ यू,
It's a lifestyle product. So coffee has become a lifestyle product. So that's
Elaborate on that.
we pitched it that way कि आजकल हर किसी को टू गो के लिए कॉफ़ी चाहिए. यार आई वांट दैट कॉफ़ी या एनी कॉफ़ी. So it's a lifestyle. Like people are copying the Western culture, just like US, Europe, सब जगह. I think he have the data of number of cups. He will tell you.
No, just to add to what Shivank is saying, I think why it's a lifestyle product now, as compared to earlier when it was an aspirational product or more of a very niche product where the premium category of people used to drink coffee. अब एक तो पोस्ट कोविड लोग पैसा बहुत खर्च करने लग गए हैं. Somebody who's earning 50K also has an iPhone. I mean, don't take me wrong, I'm not saying they can't have an iPhone, but the spending capacity and the thinking to spend as much money they earn, वो बहुत राइज कर गई है. एंड उसके साथ साथ कॉफ़ी एज अ प्रोडक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है. जो जनरेशन चेंज है, स्पेसिफिकली मिलेनियल्स तो चलो फिर भी दे वर पार्ट ऑफ द अल्कोहल इंडस्ट्री ऑल्सो, चाय इंडस्ट्री ऑल्सो एंड कॉफ़ी. बट आई थिंक द अपकमिंग Gen Z generation, I'm sure you are also part of it. So you guys are totally into coffee, I believe. तो that is why it has become very common. Lifestyle product इसलिए कि हर किसी को अब सुबह भी कॉफ़ी चाहिए, शाम को भी कॉफ़ी चाहिए. सो मोर देन एन एस्पिरेशन कि मैं आज जाके कॉफ़ी पीऊँगा, ऐसा सोच तो ख़त्म हो चुकी है. यू गो फॉर अ फाइन डाइन वंस इन अ वाइल और प्रॉब्ली वंस इन अ वीक. समबडी इज़ रेगुलर विल गो थ्राइस इन अ वीक. बट इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मैं सुबह भी जाऊँगा और शाम को भी जाऊँगा. सो दैट वे इट हैज़ बिकम अ वेरी लाइफस्टाइल प्रोडक्ट कि डेली चाहिए आपको.
Makes sense. And when we speak of your brand name Tan, where does that come from? It's very unique, and the symbol is very unique.
So it was a conversation over alcohol.
I
Some
see.
night.
We were actually a little tipsy when we decided to launch Tan, when we came up with the name. In fact, we actually asked somebody to give us a pen and paper to because we were in the car. I mean, no, I don't promote drinking in the car, but yes, we were in the car. हम उस टाइम बैठे थे, डिस्कस कर रहे थे चीज़ें.
We were making symbols. He was just asking sin theta, cos theta.
सो इट
just
मतलब
some-
बहुत रैंडम डिस्कशन चल रही थी हमारी, कुछ भी चल रही थी. एंड सडनली बिकॉज सो कॉफ़ी हैज़, अगर देखा जाए तो टैन की एक फुल फॉर्म भी है, थिंक अबाउट नाइस कॉफ़ी. सो दैट्स टैन कॉफ़ी. देन द crema on the top of an espresso shot is technically tan in color, very close to tan in color. Then tan being our favorite color also, हम दोनों को भी बहुत पसंद है. So there were multiple reasons.
And
But-
tan is our favorite.
हाँ, बट उसका लोगो हमने ज़बरदस्ती मतलब जानबूझ के,
जानबूझ के,
because
just to
we've
create
made
it,
it
look
look like a
marketing,
pie.
yeah.
So in fact our brand head, the one that explains the brand, says that it's been done, the duality has been done intentionally in the logo. And that's part of a marketing technique जिसमें लोग सोचते हैं यार ये लोग पागल है, इनको पता नहीं है टैन के बाद थीटा आता है. हमें पता है टैन के बाद थीटा आता है, पर हमें चाहिए ताकि आप हमें पागल समझो, सो दैट आप ब्रांड याद रखो. वी डोंट वांट पीपल टू रिमेंबर अस, वी वांट देम टू रिमेंबर द ब्रांड और व्हाट वी क्रिएटेड एज अ प्रोडक्ट. सो व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट अस कि आपने यार इन्होंने टैन थीटा नहीं रखा, टैन पाए रखा, दे टॉक अबाउट दैट टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कि क्यों रखा. Suddenly the name is now etched in their memory. Now they can't forget the brand at least. So this duality was intentional in the logo.
Makes sense. Now coming back to you guys as humans, Shivank, you pursued acting career in Mumbai. So where did that drive come from, and was it something that you wanted to pursue professionally?
Actually, starting से होता है ना कि करियर बनाना है, कुछ करना है, तो everyone was poking, and our mutual friend only, जिसकी वजह से आज हम दोनों मिले हैं. So she poked me, come to Mumbai, there's a theatre workshop and such, तो आके उसको करते हैं try. तो that is how I started my career in acting. And there I also struggled with the business also. एक छोटा सा there's a garment business, but वो सब चीज़ें करके wind up करके I came back, and then I met this gem.
I want to know that story. How did you guys meet?
As he told, Akansha is the name of friend, common friend. So we were in the same college. In fact, हम same college में थे, हम कभी मिले नहीं.
कभी नहीं मिला था.
So इतनी खतरनाक डेस्टिनी है कि हम कॉलेज में कभी नहीं मिले. And so she was my senior and इसकी बैचमेट थी.
अच्छा,
Not
तो
in the same
basically वो आपके
course.
senior है.
हाँ सीनियर है मेरा, लगता भी है, देखने से भी लगता है, उम्र दराज है.
I'll not comment on that.
You can't obviously.
Yeah.
But coming to this point, तो आकांक्षा ने हमें मिलवाया एक्चुअली. आई थिंक आकांक्षा से ये भी बात कर रहा होगा उस टाइम कि यार मुझे कुछ ऐसा करना है, और मेरी भी बात चल रही थी कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा करना है.
So that was business perspective या फिर coffee के around?
No, business perspective in the F&B industry.
Got it.
And then somehow, COVID stuck. Post that, थोड़े टाइम हम मिले, हमने डिस्कशंस भी की, लेकिन फिर कोविड आ गया उसके बाद. सो ऑल इन ऑल फिर थोड़ा सा वो प्लान अनसेटल्ड सा रह गया. पोस्ट कोविड वी थॉट ऑफ getting into the action. And then February 18th, 2023 is when our first outlet launched, the Hoska store. That's our first baby.
Yeah.
So I think हाँ बस वो दिन है. Today we are 35 outlets live. Yes. And we're live in 15 states. And we're adding some 26 more
26
stores
more stores.
Wow, that's remarkable.
in the next 100 days.
100 days.
Wow, that's a sprint, honestly.
Yeah.
Talking about your first store, the size, the budget, and the story behind choosing Hoskas itself. Tell us about that.
और साइज ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि पैसे थे नहीं, घर वालों से लेने थे तो छोटा ही होना था. देन ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज सी नो मैटर हाउ रिस्क टेकिंग कैपेबिलिटी दैट वी हैव, उस टाइम भी इट वाज अ रिस्क ओनली ऑब्वियसली, बट वी न्यू कि एक कैलकुलेटिव रिस्क लेना है. एंड आई वॉच क्रिकेट माई एंटायर लाइफ, तो मुझे कैलकुलेटिव रिस्क वर्ड बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि वो बहुत कमेंटेटर्स यूज़ करते हैं उसमें. आई हैव प्लेड अंडर 15 ऑल्सो, तो मुझे बहुत ऑब्सेशन था क्रिकेट से. तो कैलकुलेटिव रिस्क यही था कि एक तो अच्छी मार्केट में करना है और अभी छोटा आउटलेट ही करना है, प्रोडक्ट और ब्रांडिंग को तरीके वाला करना है, सो दैट वी आर अ हिट. बड़ा तो कभी भी कर सकते हैं हम. तो आई थिंक हमारी डिस्कशन हुई थी मेरे ख्याल से, उसके बाद इट्स अमेजिंग कि हमने मेरे ख्याल से 10-10 घंटे 8-8 घंटे स्टोर के बाहर किसी एरिया में वी वेटेड इन आवर कार्स जस्ट टू लुक एट द नंबर ऑफ पीपल coming there.
Yeah, our own kind of R&D, Reiki,
Yeah.
क्या होता
जिसे
है,
Reiki
कैसे
कहते
है, how the F&B really works. So it's very beautiful, glamorous from outside, but inside it's a different story.
हाँ, मतलब हम काफ़ी देर हम बैठे रहते थे, देखते रहते थे कितने लोग आ रहे हैं, क्या कैलकुलेशन है, क्या है.
तो उस टाइम कभी लगता था कि इसको यहीं रोकना है?
नहीं, वो तो आज तक किसी चीज़ के लिए भी नहीं लगा.
You had that confidence that it would
Yes, I mean, see, everybody fails, we've also failed, we've also done, हमने भी अपनी मिस्टेक्स की हैं, गलतियाँ की हैं. पर ये तो कभी दिमाग में दूर तक भी नहीं आया कि यार ये नहीं हो पाएगा या कुछ. आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर बिल्ला बोलता हूँ मैं, शिवांक नहीं है वैसे, ये बिल्ला है हमारा. सो हिज नेम इज बिल्ला. आई मीन ऑल आर हमारे वेंडर्स भी बिल्ला सर बोलते हैं, शिवांक कोई नहीं
So
बोलता.
now that's live on social media.
मेरे को, मैं इसको बोला था जगत बिल्ला बना के रहूँगा. तो आई थिंक हाँ, तो मैं और बिल्ला फिर यही डिस्कशन करते थे. हमने कैलकुलेशन की, देखा कि कौन सी स्पेसिस में क्या आ सकता है. ऐसा नहीं कि खाली हॉस्कास एक पिन पॉइंटेड था, मल्टीपल स्पेसिस थी पिन पॉइंटेड, बट वी zeroed down on Hoskas, and that's how
Was there a particular reason for choosing Hoskas?
I think as a market back then, 4 years back, 3.5 years back, थी मल्टीपल मार्केट्स, बट आई थिंक इसको ऑब्सेशन है थोड़ा सा साउथ दिल्ली का ज़्यादा.
I see. What is that obsession?
And I think being classy is better than being massy, so that's
I
why we
see.
targeted this brand to be.
We'll come down to the pricing of tan coffee as well.
क्यों हम
बनने
महंगे
वाली
हैं?
और।
ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो, हम महंगे थोड़ी है.
Okay. So you can tell the story that you were saying.
Okay.
या तो अभी जैसे शिवांग बोल रहा था, तो मैं ये बता रहा हूँ कि जैसे ना इसकी इमेज इज, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा शांत कम बोलता है, तो
इसके
एवरीबडी
नाम में ही
थिंक्स
नहीं आता है तो निशांत है ये. That's why.
ठीक है भाई, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. मतलब सच्चाई ऐसी कुछ नहीं है, लोगों को लगता है ये अभी ये ऑन कैमरा जैसा लग रहा है, सब सोचेंगे कि इतना शरीफ आदमी यार, ये दूसरे वाला ही बोले जा रहा है. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
Okay.
मतलब खतरनाक आदमी है. बस इसने इमेज अपनी ऐसी बना रखी है. इनफैक्ट जितने भी हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स हैं ना, फ्रेंचाइज इन्वेस्टर्स जो हमारे पार्टनर हैं, सबके सब बोलते हैं यार बिल्ला बाजी बड़े शरीफ आदमी है. मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, थोड़े दिन रुक जाओ, आपको अपने आप पता चल जाएगा. एंड ऑल ऑफ देम कम बैक सेइंग कि हम गलत थे, हम गलत थे.
So they have seen the actual.
They have seen the actual side.
Great.
So,
So
yes.
we have actually we did some research. The team did some research on you, Nishant, and we have read that you call yourself a born entrepreneur. So walk us through a venture before TAN you have, and how did that also, those failures or those successes in that venture helps you in taking decision in TAN?
See, I started, मतलब मैं, because I was very good in studies, thankfully. So I got placed through Delhi University. I did Bachelor in Business Studies back then because वही course था, अब वो BMS हो गया है. So I got placed at a very good package back then. But I did my job for 20 days and I left the job without giving any notice क्योंकि मुझे वो नौकरी समझ नहीं आई. And there's nobody in my family. I mean, both of us are first generation businessmen. So back then my extended family has sort of footwear business. So then I had a word with my father. Obviously, my parents have been very, very supportive from starting throughout my life till today. So उन्होंने बोला यार ठीक है तेरा नहीं है मन कोई बात नहीं तेरा जो मन है वो कर ले. So then in 2014, October 2014, I started my own manufacturing of footwears,
Okay.
which I'm still doing. पैशन प्रोजेक्ट टैन है बट वो रोटी कपड़ा मकान के लिए स्टार्ट किया था मैंने. तो 2014 आई स्टार्टेड इट. देन दोज ईयर्स वर अ लिटिल टफ. 1-1.5 साल वैसे भी आपको बिजनेस को बनाने में यू नीड टाइम टू सेटल इट अप. देन 2016 demonetization happened. 2017 the GST law came in.
Yeah.
2018 was a season where because I was into shoes more, तो बहुत कम ठंड पड़ी थी 2018 में एज कम्पेयर टू द पास्ट 10 years. सो इसका भी इफेक्ट पड़ता है फुटवेयर पे कि नहीं बिकेगा उस हिसाब से. 2019 कोविड द फेमस ईयर जो 2020-21 तक चला है. सो ऑल इन ऑल इट वाज अ वेरी टफ फेज व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड द बिजनेस. मुझे था नहीं कि इतने साल लग जाएंगे चीज़ें सेटल करने में. इफ इज़ गोइंग ऑन डिसेंट चल रहा था ऐसी बात नहीं है बट आई थिंक बहुत मेजर लर्निंग उस बिजनेस ने मुझे दी है. एंड देन ड्यूरिंग दैट कोर्स ऑब्वियसली वी मेट. तो आई थिंक इसने अपने स्ट्रगल जो बिजनेस के थे और मैंने अपने वो दोनों से सीख के एक नया इंडस्ट्री F&B
amalgamation of
वो यूज़
together
किया.
our name is Nishank.
I can see that now. Yeah. That's amazing. And I can see like how beautifully everything has been executed at Tan as well. Talking about the execution and the chill, attractive vibe at Tan, I would ask this question to you. That how do you make or create that consistency throughout all the outlets now that you have expanded pan India, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bhopal, and all these outlets that you have? How do you create that consistency throughout and make sure that the vibe and the menu stays consistent?
From day one we have this in mind, like follow होना है वो हर जगह same होना है. So we have created a SOP for that. And यही इसी पर्पज से ही we have started this कि we got the franchise inquiries in the first month also. I think 1-1.5 महीने में आ गई थी starting. But we let it go. हमने कहा नहीं करना अभी. We want to work on us. तो हमने बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया अपने SOPs पे कि जितना हो सकता है हम पहले किसी भी स्टेट में कोई सप्लाई चेन हो गई या कुछ हो गई इसको लेके कभी भी हमें प्रॉब्लम ना है. सो दैट्स वाई वी नो दिस इज़ हाउ वी क्रिएटेड कि हमें पैन इंडिया हमें काम करना है. इवन नाउ वी विल गो अब्रॉड. So I think he must have told you.
Yeah, we have spoken about you actually going over the foreign soil and taking Tan there. I also, wonder sometimes about are you planning on keeping the menu the way it is in India, or are you trying to incorporate the
There
elements there
are
as well?
certain changes.
Yeah.
There will be certain changes.
There will be certain changes. They are under the covers right now. You're not going to tell that. Got it. And apart from that, speaking about, like you have different baristas. If somebody who is working in Delhi and there is a different barista altogether in Bhopal, how do you create that consistency of taste amongst those two different outlets with two different people who are creating that coffee?
I think again जो शिवांक ने जैसे बोला कि SOPs are obviously part of the entire roadmap. F&B is all about consistency as you asked the question. Since Tan fresh food में बहुत ज़्यादा है and we are infamous for having huge menu as compared to any other brand anywhere on any soil. As a coffee brand doing specialty coffee, artisanal coffee as you call it in the market, हमारे जो number of items, food items हैं वो actually बहुत ज़्यादा हैं हमें पता है. So we've gone the opposite side to the industry wherein everybody thinks कि यार छोटा मेन्यू होना चाहिए. यही पढ़ाया जाता है हमारी इंडस्ट्री में. प्रिसाइज मेन्यू हुआ तो कस्टमर को आसानी होगी चूज़ करने में.
But did that menu evolve over time?
It did obviously. So I think over time we've actually increased our categories, reduced the number of items in each category because the ones that were not selling naturally कुछ भी बना लो आप सब कुछ मतलब no matter how many items you've created there are always few items that do not sell well. तो उनको आप स्लोली आप हटाते रहते हो, नई आइटम्स डालते रहते हो, सो मेन्यू इज इन्वॉल्व ओवर टाइम. और वही बात है कि SOPs मेक अ लॉट ऑफ इम्पैक्ट. And coming to baristas or anybody, see, there is a brewing style. Every coffee bean is brewed in a way. Every coffee is brewed in a way. So वो आपका जब सेट है, आपकी मशीन्स, आपका आपका जो बंदा है उसको ट्रेनिंग आपने दे रखी है, if you can keep a check on it, तो I think that is the most difficult part in the industry. And thankfully, because ये part शिवांग का है majorly, back end ये देखता है, तो आई थिंक ही इज़ पुल्ड ऑफ थिंग्स विच वेरी फ्यू पीपल इन द इंडस्ट्री आर डूइंग, कि वो एक कंसिस्टेंसी कुछ हद तक, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा हम 100% कंसिस्टेंट है, दैट्स नॉट टेक्निकली पॉसिबल, बट आई थिंक इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड से हम के साथ हैं और बहुत बेटर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
Since you mentioned about the training of staffs as well, there is, I won't call it a myth or something that people predict, but F&B में retaining staff is something people face difficulty with, right? So how do you guys retain people and ensure like the training is done perfectly for the customers?
Basically, your question is that why
The retention of your
retention of
staff, because F&B में retention of staff is very difficult.
This is like, we have a data of this, approximately 95% retention rate in our,
Oh wow, that's amazing.
currently we have 850 plus.
Is there something different TAN doing for
Yeah,
retain?
exactly.
we,
He knows that.
I think we are paying more than the market. Okay, I think that's the major pointer. But to be very honest, I think ऐसा नहीं है कि again industry में there are so many people who are doing phenomenally well. They might be paying more than us. One pointer we always had in our mind, जो बिलर मैंने पहले दिन से सोचा हुआ था, वो ये था कि यार हमारा कल्चर कंपनी का इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी व्हाट डू यू कॉल, मतलब ना बहुत चिल होगा. पीपल वुड नॉट फील द प्रेशर ऑफ वर्किंग इन अ कैफे. द इंडस्ट्री इज़ रियली हार्ड समटाइम्स. There are other categories also that are hard on people who are working for somebody, but the industry is actually hard with the kind of timings of the cafe. अब हमारे कुछ outlets रात को 2 बजे, कुछ 4 बजे तक खुलते हैं, so the timings are off also. So we always had that mind कि यार हमें अपने टीम मेंबर्स को जितना तरीके से, जितना हम हेल्पफुल और जितना सॉर्टेड तरीके से उन्हें रख सकते हैं, हम उनको अपने साथ रखेंगे. And I think there we've been able to pull off the right kind of behavior as founders. And we are actually proud of it that, if I count on fingers, I can count the number of people that have left the company. So it's that less. And we have more than 850 members company.
Wow.
So
That's remarkable.
yeah.
And to be very honest, I have also seen that you guys have launched your packaged coffee as well. That's Tan Coffee. So what is different whilst you are curating a retail packaged product than actually serving it in cafe? The supply chain, the different customers, and primarily, is it for the people who actually love Tan, or you are trying to reach a different kind of audience via them?
It's a mix of all these factors. I think one of the beans that we've launched is the one that we are serving the outlet as well. But it is basically for home brewers. अभी जैसे हमने सबसे starting में बोला that people want to have coffee in the morning, afternoon and evening also. There are ऐसे भी लोग हैं. They can't always go to a Tan, no matter how accessible we are. So they want to brew it at their home. So somebody wakes up at 6, they want to brew a nice coffee. So this packaged coffee is to cater to those kind of people also. Then our coffee through this medium reaches any other country also. Somebody might take it to some other country. Somebody else is going to try.
What are the distribution channels?
No, I'm just, our website is the distribution channel. Then our
Okay.
outlets are there.
So you don't use any quick commerce?
No, for now, because we've almost a month back we've launched it, so it's just under trial period. Then we're launching a merch also. We already have our tumblers, we already have our candles that we sell through all our Tan outlets. But all of this is going to come to the website very soon. Then there are other things that are planned. But again, coming to this point, ki coffee, there are people who want to brew at home, so it is going to cater to those also. और जो Tan में आ रहे हैं वो तो ले जा ही सकते हैं, because again अगर हम कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग कर देते हैं, कोई भी बिजनेस कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग करता है, इफ देयर इज अ कम्युनिटी दैट इज फॉलोइंग समथिंग, आई फील कि फिर वो बिजनेस नेगेटिव में जाना मुश्किल है. मतलब इट्स गोइंग टू वर्क फाइन.
And how do you price it in a market that is full of D2C premium goods and instant coffees that are available? So how do you price it amongst that market?
See, pricing for us has always been, a fact that we want to be accessible to. Uh, I would not say all kinds of people. I hope that we are able to, cater to everyone. But again, because of the kind of aesthetics and the extra things that Tan provides at their outlets, no, coming to basic things like projectors, we project all the World Cups, all the games live. There are outdoor spaces where people smoke and have their coffee. Then there are indoor spaces. Then we do the free Wi-Fi stuff.
So you're trying to accommodate every
So
kind.
we
Yeah.
are trying to accommodate. So I feel हम दोनों कभी बात करते हैं हम यही सोचते हैं कि देर मतलब हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमारी आउटलेट पे कोई सुबह टाई पहन के मीटिंग भी ले सकता है और वो शाम को शॉर्ट्स में अपने दोस्तों के साथ कॉफ़ी भी पी सकता है और खा भी सकता
That's amazing. I think that's what everybody wants.
है. I think we've been trying to create those spaces.
Yeah, makes sense. So, how do you keep the quality consistent when it comes to franchisees? When you speak with some franchisees and you have to pitch them your quality and you have to pitch them your aesthetics, is that a difficult conversation to take altogether? And is there any conversation that you remember that stuck with you?
Basic pointer is we do FICO only. Okay. So everyone is convinced to do, it is run by us. The show will be run by us. So that's why we have to take care of all the operations, the supply chain, the business. Investor is just just a franchise partner. That's it.
और किसी को डाउट मतलब अगर हम कहते हैं कि कंसिस्टेंसी की बात होती है या कन्विंस करने की बात है तो आई थिंक हमारी आउटलेट्स जो अप एंड रनिंग है सो पीपल गो टू दोज आउटलेट्स दे ट्राई देयर स्टफ.
Your major outlets are in metro locations, right? And the rents or real estate condition in metros are really bad. So how do you
In
actually
terms of high rentals is what you're saying?
Yeah.
See again, now that in the last 6 months or so, हमने metros के बाहर भी we've entered a lot of tier 2 and tier 3 cities. I think that has been the new addition that we've done. Metros, yes, the rentals are high, but with God's grace बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है हमें और हमारे प्रोडक्ट को हमारे ब्रांड को. तो जहाँ पे मतलब if you're doing good numbers then the rentals are not at all a question, right? So yeah, that's about it.
And when we speak of franchises itself, I believe a lot of franchisees would love to know about this. If they want to have TAN, what is something that you guys particularly look for whilst you are actually giving your franchisee to someone?
I think everybody looks for a good partner, right? हमारी कंट्री में पैसे की कोई कमी नहीं है. There are a lot of people with a lot of money. But yes, connecting to the right kind of people जिनके साथ हम आगे इस प्रोजेक्ट को ले जा सकें या मल्टीप्लाई कर सकें, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऐसा कोई ना रूल बुक नहीं है कि यार कोई बंदा ऐसा होना चाहिए या वैसा होना चाहिए. आई थिंक इट्स द वाइब दैट हैज़ टू सेट इन फॉर देम ऑल्सो. क्या पता किसी को हम ना समझ आए, हो सकता है बहुतों को हमें बहुत नहीं समझ आए. सो आई थिंक इट्स द वाइब दैट सेट्स इन,
Vibe and equation, that's it.
Vibe and equation, yeah.
Okay, so that's the only parameters that the franchisees have to work on. Makes sense. So, fun question. If I am a 25-year-old and I want to start a coffee brand next to Tan Coffee and I copy everything that you do, your menu, your aesthetics, what is something still I won't be able to replicate?
Why do you think this has not happened?
Tell me about it.
ये हो चुका है, but ठीक है, चलो अभी not talk about that. At multiple places this has happened. I
Okay.
think 3 places if I remember it correctly.
Okay.
Like legit, at one place it was a 95% replica.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like what is still something they वो 5% जो रह गया वो
I
कहाँ
think
था?
वो तो naturally कोई दो चीज़ें बिल्कुल सेम is impossible. दो दुकान बनी है, आप exactly same तो signage भी नहीं कर सकते because obviously we have our legal team
terms,
also. We can throw in notices and sue somebody, but we've
Yeah.
not done it. ठीक है. I think that's a long
In terms
shot.
of essence.
In terms of essence, again, I feel community building takes a lot of time. हमने ये 3.5-4 साल जो लगाए हैं उसके अलावा whatever love that we've gotten from people, the repetition जो हमारे customers बने हैं, I think we've stuck in a lot of conversations with a lot of people. So वो जो essence हम दोनों की है, brand की है, overall brand की vibe है, then that entire vibe which was created by very close friend Simran, who's handling the entire brand media and everything for us. So I think she's also played superb and very important role with us. Uh, और वो जो एसेंस है वो हम तीनों की एसेंस मैच कोई और नहीं कर पाएगा. इट कैन नॉट बी रेप्लिकेटेड एंड दैट फील्स इन द आउटलेट ऑल्सो. आप कितना भी रेप्लिकेट कर लो.
And
वो
you
tan
have a
copy बन
retention,
जाएगा.
absolutely. You have a retention of 70% of
More
customers
than
come back.
70%, yes.
More than
wow.
70.
More than 70%.
So my data is a little old. So, so 70% of retention is what I have researched. What do you think beyond food is something that makes them come back?
Oh, I think warmth, the coffee, for sure. I think aesthetics पे पैसा सब लगा रहे हैं. Designers, interior designers, architects, everybody has a lot of them. There are very multiple designers in the industry, very good designers. But ultimately the product ही लेकर आएगा आपको. जो सबसे पहला पॉइंट था कि लाइफस्टाइल प्रोडक्ट है. कॉफ़ी तो अच्छी चाहिए ही ना लोगों को. खाना तो अच्छा चाहिए. You will have a sandwich once. If it's not good, you will not come back again. सो बियॉन्ड फूड एंड कॉफ़ी आई फील कि इंसान एस्थेटिक्स के लिए 2 बार ही आ जाएगा. फ़ोटो खींचने, वो कहते हैं ना मुंह में खाना जाने से पहले आंखों में जाता है, नाक में जाता है.
बेसिकली इट्स अ सेइंग
क्या होता है
पेट में जाने से पहले इंस्टाग्राम पे जाता है.
अच्छा, हाँ सॉरी, यस. तो वो इंस्टाग्राम पे जाने वाला काम तो 2 बार ही हो जाएगा, 3 बार ही हो जाएगा. देन इट विल लुक बोरिंग.
All over the product speaks, so that is where we are retained with our customers, and we have created a community जहाँ पे people are talking about us
we try to do community events as
in a
well.
good way.
बड़ा मज़ा आता है, अच्छा लगता है. There's this book get together of people who love books, Japanese authors and something like that. We did it in one of our stores.
That sounds
Then,
interesting, yeah.
Those early morning runs,
Yeah.
which clearly we don't do. तो वो we did it in Visakhapatnam outlet. So that was very successful. So ऐसे community events भी हम करते रहते हैं. So I think
Talking about, like you have very briefly mentioned about your customer retention and how customer community that you guys have created, right? Do you have any favorite, like both of you, first starting with Shivank, do you have any favorite feedback or something like a customer came to you and said, I loved something about Tan and it actually stuck with you till date?
A lot of times, but I remember there were a customer who said, thank you, like they have created a memory for a family. And there was a daughter, her daughter came, I want this, the mug, the what is क्या है हमारा tumbler, that tumbler she wanted, and वो लेके चले गए थे. तो वो एक kind of memory उनके पास है आज भी. So she texted later, thank you, my daughter is still using this. And so there are a lot of memories like this.
I see. I think multiple memories है. But एक मुझे याद आती है, there's this प्रशांत विहार हमारा आउटलेट है नॉर्थ दिल्ली में. So तो there's a very handsome husky dog
Okay.
that a guy comes with. Okay, that dog is really famous on Instagram. और वो मतलब now we know each other, मेरे को मिल जाता है that guy, we meet, we talk about what he's doing, what I'm doing. और वो मेरे को कहता है कि I never come to Tan, the dog asks me that I want to go there. And I know every time when he starts barking in a way कि इसको Tan जाना है. और वो इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग
Oh my
चीज़ है.
God.
और वो वहाँ 2-2 घंटे people are just loving that dog.
You've
सब खेल
created
रहे
an
हैं उससे.
impression on dogs as well. Great.
I think so. That's something that I love.
Yeah.
That guy told me.
That's amazing. And there is something under the covers, not just the foreign soil impression of Tan, but something that you guys are creating. I want it from your mouths. What is that, and how are you guys coming out with it?
You're talking about the new venture that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, since it's very close to the launch, like we might as well be able to launch in the next 20-25 days. So we're launching another brand called Therefore, and again, the logo is the symbol of Therefore,
Symbol of Therefore,
English
yes.
Therefore symbol. Again, so हम दोनों ना बहुत science obsessed हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. So we love such clean, minimalist logos and names. So it's going to be a cocktail bar. It's going to be a mix of cocktail and cocktail bar. Specifically, some very nicely made cocktails, coffee cocktails also. Since we are in the coffee game already, so we wanted to take that forward with the alcohol हमें पसंद है जैसे अल्कोहल ना, तो
I can say that like इतनी की conversation जो हुई है.
मतलब अच्छी लगती है, अब जो लगती है तो लगती है. So yes, we wanted to use that coffee, connoisseur, that no, not connoisseur, I think that's the wrong word, but जो हमारा कॉफ़ी का एक्सपीरियंस है वो यूज़ करके हमें अल्कोहल में यूज़ करना था. वी वांटेड टू क्रिएट अनदर स्पेस जहाँ पे जैसे हमने टैन में एक नया जॉनर क्रिएट किया है. We wanted to create, a lot of people have come with a lot of speakeasies, a lot of Japanese cocktail bars. We did not want to go there. So it was, जो अब ये आएगा अभी, ये this is going to again be first in the industry. हम अपने तरीके से एक प्रोजेक्ट ला रहे हैं. So very excited about it, yeah.
Anything you want to add, Shivank?
वहीं जाके बस you have to more trials and we want to
I think इसके बाद हम वही जा रहे हैं.
वहीं
इसके
जाने
बाद वही
वाले
जा रहे हैं हम actually. Trials के लिए जा रहे हैं हम.
Great. And if Tan curated conversations, what is there for going to curate?
सोचा नहीं था.
I think if TAN is for conversations, therefore is going to, slow down things in their lives. There's this, लोगों को ना टिप्सी फीलिंग बहुत पसंद होती है.
You're speaking for yourself or for people?
Okay. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं अपने लिए बोल रहा हूँ फिर. ठीक है, but I feel that, obviously since alcohol is involved, that little tipsy high is what we want everybody to be. Not that we want people to, get sloshed, but that tipsy high forever in life. I think we'll try and do that with Therefore.
I see. Now, something the Founders Times that we are famous for is talking about the mental health of founders. Most importantly,
Good one.
We are mentally fit, not physically.
why do I sense the mental health is not there? Okay. So, specifically for men, it is not spoken much about that men are supposed to be strong all the time. Even in businesses, you cannot show that you're weak in front of your staffs, franchises, and investors. Are there moments, being very candid, where you feel that things are not working according to you, need a break, you need to step out of the conversation or the people that you're around with, even when you are together? Starting with you.
With me? Oh. पानी पी ले. Mental health की बात आ गई. Mental health की बात आ गई.
Regarding the mental health, it's our passion only, so which we are following. So we don't consider this as a कुछ करना है, pressure लेना है or something, but we do it with a routine, and that routine has a lot of मतलब बोल सकते हैं कि हाँ, प्रेशर हमें अपने आप से बनाना पड़ता है इंस्टेड ऑफ किसी और का प्रेशर हमसे. तो लेकिन हम काम को ले जाते हैं. दिस इज जस्ट अ मेंटल, इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द मेंटल हेल्थ, तो ये ही है, जस्ट टू create something new every day. And we
When
learn
you
it.
walked in, you said your day was hectic. Like, when you say hectic, do you enjoy that hectic? Or is it just part of the process and you've numbed yourself?
Part of a process also, and most of the time it is productive. So we believe ठीक है.
तो अगर productive है तो it's good for your mental
always,
health.
Always. Mostly it is productive.
Makes sense.
Cover up कर देता है I think mental health. मतलब I think he's been very sweet in terms of saying कि mental health
Yes,
कुछ
give
नहीं
me a
होता है.
reality check.
I think reality check सच में यही है that just like everyone, we are not robots. And ऐसी होता है कि कभी कभार सच में ऐसा होता है. There are times, very few times, but हम pull off कर लेते हैं चीज़ें. But just like everyone else who's working in any other category, there are times when you genuinely need space to breathe. And
But right now that we don't have a lunch.
so today is one of the days which actually, but again, see, last week's schedule was genuinely hectic. So we took we took 12 flights in 7 days. So you can imagine how hectic it was. So I think mental health, if you are a founder, mental health is not a problem. How you deal with it, how strong you are in terms of tackling it is going to make you.
Again, so my question started with being strong. As men, you are considered to be strong. Do you think that is a responsibility that you want to take off for some time?
I think that's a cliche that is there in the market. I am not a believer of that. मैं तो रो भी देता हूँ. ठीक है, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And mental health, yes, it takes a toss when you are building something new. That is for sure. How you handle it is going to take you forward. There will be days जब वो बहुत टफ लगेगा, बट हमें कभी भी उतना टफ नहीं लगा जिस दिन हमें ये लगे कि यार अब नहीं हो रहा है. आई थिंक वो बहुत दूर है, मतलब वो हमें कभी फील नहीं और वो हमें होगा भी नहीं जिस तरह से बिल्टअप हम हैं या अब हम हो गए हैं विद ऑल द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ टैन. And therefore, and there are multiple things that we are going to launch in the next 1 year. We are excited about other things as well.
Again, a passion project, so it's just taking up on the passion.
Yes, I think that covers it up. I think हम बात भी करते हैं कि कभी कभार हम आउटलेट में बैठे थे ना, when people किसी को पता चल जाता है या कोई we feel that it's an awkward moment जब कोई आके हमें बोलता है, are you the owners or the founders? We say yes. So when they praise you, वो सारी थकान वो सब खत्म हो जाता है. In that little moment, you feel blessed and happy. Okay, they are going very happy. So I think that helps a lot. Seeing your outlets full of people enjoying, having conversations, people like you dating. So
वो कहते हैं ना आपकी थकान उतर जाती है इनको देख.
Absolutely.
Seeing the happy customers.
You are going to curate these happy customers and happy community in the foreign soil as well. So how are you planning to compete with the international brands or global chains like Starbucks there?
I think we are already doing it.
You are, but like people who actually love and enjoy companies like Starbucks or hyperlocal markets, how are you going to compete with them? A soil that's not yours.
Oh, I think see, we're born in India, but soil that's not yours is something that I don't believe in, because TAN is for the world and it is going to conquer the world for sure, today, tomorrow, or 5 years down the line. रही बात की how are people going to accept us? I think in this country also there were a lot of brands. There are a lot of brands. There are every day a lot of new outlets, coffee brands coming up, which are doing genuinely fine. हमारा अपना एक जॉनर है जो हमने क्रिएट किया, जिसको हम सेम तरीके से किसी और कंट्री में भी ले जाना चाहते हैं. एंड वी फील दैट गैप इज़ देयर इन दोज कंट्रीज एज वेल. Yeah, what we are doing here with all the menu engineering or probably the branding or the warmth or aesthetics, anything as a matter of fact, I feel that the combination of all these things is still missing wherever we are planning to enter. So at least for those countries, we can proudly and a little more than confident, I can say that we'll be able to pull off things.
Now, individual question for both of you again. 5 years down the line, what do you guys want TAN's legacy to be? Starting with you, Nishant.
Oh, multiple international countries. I feel, see, we are not somebody who are, if you ask me, I'm sure he's also like that only, that we are fond of awards or we are fond of, accolades, that, somebody gives us the fact check that, you guys have done this or you guys have created this record or something like that. In terms of legacy, I feel, when people are obsessed with us, when people talk about us in a way that, you in the morning you talk to someone, yeah, let's go for a coffee, it's TAN. In the afternoon, let's go for a lunch today, it's TAN. Evening, let's go for a stroll, it's TAN. I think that's where the legacy will be created. And I'll be very happy to see that day, and we are working towards it. Absolutely. So the answer to everything should be TAN.
We'll sum up with TAN. Good. What about you, Shivang?
Adding to him only, like everyone, the world talks about TAN, and we want to TAN the world. So that is our motto.
My final question for this podcast: what's your legacy as humans, as men, Shivang? What legacy do you want to leave behind?
इतना टेक्निकल क्यों पूछ लेते हो यार?
Something like as humans, everybody wants something to be. सबको चाहिए कि वो किसी तरीके से याद किए जाएं. तो what is that legacy you want people to remember you by?
I think जो हमारा नाम है TAN, वो हर एक के किसी ना किसी नाम में कॉमन भी है एंड कनेक्टेड भी है, which we personally feel. इसके नाम में भी TAN आता है. निशांत. So just jokes apart, but people will remember us always. That is how we want to create a legacy. Yeah.
What about you? Your personal legacy as Nishant Mittal?
I think personal legacy is always very common to अगेन आई माइट बी रॉन्ग ऑन दिस, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सबका यही है कि यार लोग अच्छी चीज़ों के लिए याद करें, यू नो व्हाट वी क्रिएटेड, दे फील गुड अबाउट इट, यू नो दे टॉक गुड अबाउट अस, बट as humans I would love to hear somebody who knows me in person or from far off also, that they're talking good things about us. That's legacy, just good things. If somebody is talking good about you, I think you've created a legacy, because आज के टाइम
Created
पे
your imprint in people's hearts.
क्योंकि आज के टाइम पे यही बड़ा मुश्किल है, and people talking nicely about you.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's the legacy that I think I look for.
Perfect. And of course, it took me aback talking to both of you. You are creating a legacy with TAN itself, and then you are working for yourselves as well, the passion projects, and where you have started to where you are, and then you have so much ahead. We were constantly talking about the vision for TAN and what you have for Therefore. So all the best for that. We have a final round called the rapid fire. It's my favorite. So we have done something different this time.
Okay.
We have some pottery mugs. Since it is TAN, it's coffee mugs, and we wanted to sculpt TAN's logo on it. Whilst I'll ask you those questions, we have a timer for that.
Okay.
And on the other side, since you have announced Therefore, you can sculpt the logo for Therefore as well.
Books.
Cool? Huh. You'll have to engrave on it. We try to keep it as moist as we can.
बचपन में तो आर्ट किया नहीं है.
Okay. You guys ready? Yeah. And do not put a lot of pressure. It will break in your hand.
ये डराना थोड़ी था, कर तो ले बंदा.
Okay. Ready? Cool. Cold brew or filter coffee?
We have to answer together. Like
कर लो.
you're asking him or me?
दोनों से.
Okay, cold brew.
Cold brew. You?
Drip coffee.
Okay. You have to sculpt whilst you do it.
Then I have to.
One Indian city that is still inaccessible to TAN in India.
Not inaccessible, but ठीक है, अब reason तो देना नहीं है ना. I think eastern part of the country.
Okay. Any particular city?
Meghalaya sort of,
I see.
or Jammu,
Oh.
that we're looking at. I think Kashmir is difficult for now.
Absolutely.
Jammu is still
It's
easy.
difficult for them as well. What about you, Shivang?
Sorry, come again. I was lost.
It's fine. One Indian city that is still inaccessible to TAN India.
Again, yeah, Seven Sisters. One of the Seven Sisters.
I know.
This is where we are lacking.
Sure. For you, Nishant, one word your co-founder would use to describe you on your worst day.
चले जाओ भाई दूर इससे.
क्या बना रहा है तू?
लोगो बना रहा हूँ अपना टैन कॉफी का.
तो ऐसे क्यों नहीं बनाया?
यार मुझे आता थोड़ी, मैंने डेली थोड़ी कर रहा हूँ, पहली बार कर रहा हूँ यार.
Okay.
तो ऐसे होता है.
Do we have to keep this in
No, you can just keep it on the board. That's why the board's there for.
the mic?
Okay. The one menu item you'd never remove even if it stopped selling.
Smoke off. There's this drink called smoke off, जिसमें हम espresso shot और coke मिला देते हैं.
Oh.
So it's double caffeine.
It's fun. I think
it's
Gen
very
Z
nice.
loves it.
It's nice, but अभी भी उसकी acceptance उतनी नहीं है. Somebody who drinks coke, somebody somebody has sweet tooth is going to love it, क्योंकि वो मीठी तो होगी because it has coke in it. So I think
You particularly go for like normal Coke or Diet Coke or Coke Zero?
सारी रेसिपी थोड़ी बता देंगे.
अच्छा, okay, sorry.
मैं बोलने वाला था basic recipe.
What about you, Shivang? The one menu item you'd never remove even if it stopped selling.
I think our signature fries.
Oh, what are the signature
Good
fries?
one.
with garlic butter.
Okay, I've not tried it
That
yet.
is something like हम लोगों ने कभी भी खाना नहीं खाया होता and we got confused क्या है तो यार वही ला दे. That's why.
Perfect. One word for Delhi's coffee scene right now, Shivang.
Delhi's coffee theme.
Usual market scene that you can see that coffee में भी ज़्यादा common हो रहा है, something negative, something positive.
Everyone wants to open a coffee chain or not even a chain, a coffee shop. So coming to your question, in the next 5 years it will, boom like a coffee everywhere. You will see like just like Europe and everywhere you will see coffee. But वही है खोलना सब चाहते हैं, चला बहुत कम पाते हैं.
Absolutely. What about you, Nishant? One word for Delhi's coffee scene right now.
I think crazy. I think people are doing genuinely very good things in their own arenas. You know, some different concepts have come up of late. So I think बढ़िया है. मतलब we also learn a lot from these things happening. It's good. I think it'll never saturate. ये सब कहने की बात होती है कि saturated है. बहुत जनता है पीने वाली.
Okay. A drink you enjoy other than coffee and alcohol.
ये क्या बात हुई?
That's how actually you started Tan being tipsy. So that's why I said no alcohol.
Ginger ale is my drink.
Ginger ale, yeah. That's my favorite too.
I think chai.
Chai? Yeah, you're millennials, right? So why didn't you go for chai instead of, like, why did you go for coffee instead of chai?
क्योंकि कॉफी में धंधा दिख रहा था ज़्यादा. चाय में नहीं.
That's an honest founder answer. Cool. And one word to describe the current chapter of your life, Shivank.
It's just Tan.
Okay. It's just Tan. Every day it's Tan.
Every day it's Tan.
Later it will be therefore as well. Good. What about you?
Current chapter. Exciting and tiring
Okay.
together. I mean, we actually don't have an idea हम कब उठ जाते हैं, हमारी शाम कब होती है, रात को कब सो जाते हैं.
What we meant to say is just evolved with Tan.
Evolving
Now
with Tan.
Next
Yeah.
project. So,
Makes sense.
yeah.
So are you guys done with the mugs?
Just a second.
Okay, take your sweet time.
मेरा
It's
चल
fine.
रहा है आर्टवर्क ना.
Tan.
Yeah, done.
Perfect.
So that's I think I don't know if it's visible.
Oh wow.
Nice art.
What did you write? अच्छा, you wrote there for पूरा perfect.
नहीं मिला था मुझे. मैं अपनी मैम को भेजना चाहता स्कूल वाली ना ये फोटो.
I hope you enjoyed this podcast and the rapid fire. Thank you so much for joining us on this podcast. It was absolutely a pleasure hosting both of you and learning more about your journeys as well.
Right,
I hope
thank you.
people could actually take great anecdotes.
Thank you for hosting us. It was a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time.